Hello and welcome to RKL Trading Labs. Today I'm going to show you one of the purest swing trading setups I've ever used. And this example comes directly from the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. In this session, you will understand what swing trading truly means, why it's not about catching bottoms, and how this strategy gives you 5 to 10 times your risk, with more than 85% accuracy in trending markets. Swing trading means capturing a large segment of a move, not the whole move. Yes, swing trading can catch massive moves, but remember this golden rule. You can never catch the exact bottom, and you don't need to. In swing trading, we wait for structure, for behavior, for signals, not for predictions. For this setup, we only use 3 indicators: 20 SMA, 50 SMA RSI 14, with RSI moving average. That's it. Clean, simple, powerful. Now let's go directly to the BTC USD 4-hour chart. First, look at the moving averages. Price is clearly above the 20 and 50 SMA. 20 SMA is above 50 SMA and both are almost parallel. That means we have a clean uptrend. As price pulls back toward the 20 simple moving average, look at the last small high. That high is important because it creates your trigger level. Now watch the RSI. It dips toward its moving average line, but does not crash below the previous low. This shows buyers still in control. Here is the core of the setup. Place a buy stop order 1 to 2 ticks above the pullback high. Stop loss goes just below the pullback low. Now watch what happens. Boom! Price breaks the trigger level and accelerates. Exit comes from RSI. Look for bearish divergence on RSI, or when RSI dips below its yellow moving average and fails to cross back up. Before I wrap up this swing trading example, let me share something important. This is one of those clean, rule-based setups that most YouTube trading channels simply don't show. They either skip these details or they don't know the logic behind them. My goal at RKL Trading Labs is to reveal the hidden technical secrets, the ones that actually work, the ones that are simple, repeatable, and backed by real market behavior. If you want more of these unseen setups, more clarity on RSI, MACD, pullbacks, and real swing logic, just let me know in the comments. Ask your questions, suggest the next topic. I reply to every message. Advantages of this strategy. So why does this swing trading setup work so well? 85% plus accuracy in trending markets, 5 to 10 times reward. Risk potential. Simple.